Hello everyone, Arshdeep Kaur here. This is your physics class for 10th standard. Students, in this class I am going to discuss about the couple. Okay, as earlier I discussed about the moment of force. Now next topic is couple. Now we all know that the meaning of couple is pair. So in this couple there are two forces, okay, which acting on the same body so that they produce the movement in the same direction. It means you can see here the two forces equal in magnitude, opposite in direction, okay, such that the movement of force that is in the same direction. Now we know that when we apply a equal and opposite force on a body, then they cancel the effect of each other. Then how it possible in the case of couple that the two equal and opposite forces that produce the movement? Okay, for that the two equal and opposite forces are act along the different lines of action. It means in couple the line of action for the two bodies is the two forces is different. For example, let's take this one body, okay, this one is just a steering wheel, okay, or other body, okay. Now let this body name is, this is a body, let this is the center of a body, that is a O, okay, and the 2 points, this point is A and this point is B, okay. Let's apply the two forces, the force F1 in upward direction, okay, and F2 in the downward direction. Now these two forces F1 and F2 are equal in magnitude, but opposite in direction, okay. Now let's discuss about their line of action. Now for point A, the line of action is like this, okay, and for point B the line of action is like this. It means line of action for F1, okay, and this is the line of action for F2. It means line of action is different but they produce the same movement. It means the direction of movement is same. Like this you can see that the movement is now which direction? Clockwise movement. Which movement? Clockwise movement. These two forces is produced, okay. It means the pair of these two forces constitute the couples, okay. It means when the body, okay, when the body is acted upon by the two forces which are act along the different line of actions constitutes a couple, okay. So now let's find out the value of this couple, okay. Now first of all, moment at A, okay, moment at point A. Now you can see that at point A the fixed point is now O. It means perpendicular distance is OA and force is F1. So moment at point A is F1 multiplied by OA. Let it be 1. Number 2, again moment at point B is equal to, now at point B the force is F2 and distance is OB. Let it be number 2. Okay, now F1 is equal to F2 is equal to F. Why? Because the two forces are equal but opposite in direction. So this become F into OA, this become F into OB. Now the total moment is moment at A plus moment at B. So F into OA plus F into OB. Now F is common into OA plus OB because F is common in both. Now F is into OA plus OB. Now you can see clearly in this diagram OA plus OB is equal to AB, the perpendicular distance between the two different forces, that is AB. So we can write it as F into AB. It means couple is equal to either force, any force F1 or F2 into perpendicular distance between the two forces. It means F cross D is equal to couple, which is same as that of torque. Okay, so units are, we know that unit of force is Newton, unit of distance is meter, that is Newton meter, same unit as that of torque or moment of force. Okay students, so this one is a couple in which two forces are there. Now let us discuss the different examples in which torque is there. Okay, so the first example is opening or closing a water tap. When we open or close a water tap, we just apply the couple with our two fingers. Why? Because on this point and on this point we apply the force like this. Okay, it means we apply the force on the tap by using our thumb and this finger. Okay, it means the tap rotates, it means this is open or closed. It means similar movement by the two forces. Second example is the turning a screwdriver. This one is a screwdriver, this is a screw. It means we just apply a force on this screwdriver like this direction, open or close. Okay, with our thumb and finger. Okay, second is winding the watch or a clock with the key. This one is a key of a clock, we just wind it. Okay, this one is also a torque. Now tightening the cap of an ink bottle. This one is the bottle of a ink. Okay, you can open the cap or open the cap or tighten the cap with the help of the couple, because we apply the force on this cap with our finger and our thumb. Okay, thumb apply the force in downward direction and finger on the upward direction, like this the cap is get open or tight. Okay, now the fifth example is turning the key in a lock. Same as we apply the force on the key with our thumb and finger, it means same two forces that constitutes a couple. Okay, so there are many examples in which we just apply the couple. Same as the next is steering wheel of a motor car. On the steering wheel we just apply the couple, in which the point of action is different but the moment of the force is same. Okay students, this one is all about the torque, its examples, its formula, its units. Okay, Hope so all of you just well understand about the couple. So thank you and have a nice day. Thank you students.